This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 53 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. As ever, we'll look through the magazine and then get on with the build. So we're going to look at the Hulk there. I recognise him. I'm just looking at the pretty pictures. You can read the words yourself if you want to. But Hulk smash. Yeah, there we go. Continuing stage 5 of the middle finger. Sort of the middle of the middle finger, as it were. So we're putting a bracket in, building up exactly the same way we have been with the previous parts. On there, then there's going to be covers to cover over those pieces, obviously the metal outside. For all of that, get in there, I like it. We've got 2 more fingers to go once we've done them, haven't it? We've done the fun one. It feels like we're not approaching the end because we've got another 8 episodes for each finger probably, and then the rest of the gauntlet to do, but come in there. Blaster, negative villain. I've got no idea what that means. Not inverse, but there we go. There we go. And looking at Chris as the creative part. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this continued the build going on. So the parts we've got from here, obviously down here, and the parts from previously up there. We're going to put a washer on that side, and then that goes into here and all the way through, just like all of these. They're a bit tight, but it does fit. We'll get it lined up, and there you go. That's all the way through there. Then the part from the other side goes in there. We've got the half moon to line up on that, and the rest of it goes over there. Maneuver that a little bit. There we go. That's in there. And then that is held in place with one of these. I'm not going to open the packet of screws because we've got 2 left over from last time. I shall continue to use those, I think. So that goes on there as an internal bracing to hold that in place until we get the other side in. That will just go up in there. Go. That locked in the right place. While that's tightened up. Obviously you need to make sure these are tightened up now because you're not going to be able to get to it afterwards. Go. That is that. So that's now holding that sort of in place. Once the other side is in place, that's going to do the job on that. Joints working. The top piece, again, slots in place there. It'll only go one way around because of the thick and thin indentations there. So that will go in there. Then the other side goes on, but with the washer again in place over there and lining up the other side of that. And the top piece lines up on that as well. And the other final screw from today. Will go in there. So the largest finger is getting even larger. That tightened up fully. So there we have that. Obviously the outer shell to go over the top still, but the inside is all metallic as well. I like it. It's all coming together. I'm liking it quite a lot. Each week, even though we've done a finger before, it still feels different. So there we go. That's that. I shall see you for more next time when we're going to continue giving us all the middle finger. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.